Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I know you are fantastic and you are doing very well with your studies. Students, don't forget to send the photo shots to the teachers so teachers can come to know what are the students doing. So, we were on chapter number 10, that is perimeter and area. This video is part 4. हमने प्रीवियस दो वीडियोस में देखा था पेरीमीटर्स. We have seen the perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle, square and rectangle. So now we will be moving to the area of all these figures. So students, now we will discuss the area of the figures.
Look at the two figures. Which of the two figures occupies more surface? Figure B is bigger, so it occupies.
So students, you have to observe out of these two triangles, which triangle occupies more space. But naturally when we observe, we can come to know that the triangle B is bigger in size, so it will occupy more space.
More surface. We can also say that figure B has more area. We define area as the surface enclosed by.
This is the proper meaning of area. Area is the surface enclosed by any figure or the object. Area means इस B triangle में जितना space occupy किया है, that space is known as area.
By any figure or object, area is measured in square units of length. Area of small.
Area is measured in square units of the length. Always remember, जब हम perimeter calculate करते थे, for example, my answer came to 84 centimeter. Okay, that is good for perimeter. But when it comes to area, I will be writing 84 centimeter square. मैं ऊपर 2 एक रख दूंगी for the square. Area of smaller objects such as notebook or pencil box is measured with the square centimeters. अगर object कोई छोटा होगा, we will be using centimeter, and if the object or that material is occupying more space, we will be using meters for that.
Smaller objects, such as notebook or pencil box, is measured in square centimeters. Area of regular figures. Example 1. Find the area of the given figures. A. Figure A encloses 12 squares. Area of figure A is equal to 12 square centimeters.
So students, now we will be discussing the area of regular figures. In this we have 4 figures, A, B, C, D. We know that this type of box is 1 box equals to 1 centimeter. So मैंने देखा A figure के अंदर कितने boxes यूज किए गए हैं? 12. So I will be writing 12 centimeter square.
Or 12 centimeters square. B. Figure B encloses 4 squares. Area of figure B is equal to 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeters square. C. Figure C encloses 5 squares. Area of figure C is equal to 5 square centimeter or 5 centimeters square. D. Figure D encloses 7 squares. Area of figure D is equal.
So students, यहाँ पर आपको different shapes दिए गए, that is CH. We will count the box and one box equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, as you can see in D there are 7 boxes. So this answer will be 7 centimeter square. In C there are 5 boxes. So I can say that 5 centimeter square.
Equal to 7 square centimeter or 7 centimeters square. Area of a rectangle. Look at the rectangle. What is the area of this
are 6 squares here and 3 squares in this way. So in all there are 18 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All I can say 6 3s are 18.
There are 18 squares enclosed. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to 18 square centimeters, which is equal to 6 into 3 square centimeters or centimeter square. Therefore, length of the rectangle into breadth of the rectangle.
So from this figure we can conclude what will be the formula for area of rectangle? Length into width. Understood? Area of rectangle का formula क्या होगा? Length into width. और perimeter का formula क्या था? 2 ब्रैकेट में L plus B. एरिया का formula क्या हो जाएगा? Length into width.
Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a square. Square ABCD is divided into 9 smaller squares. Therefore, area of the square is equal to 9 square centimeters, which is equal to 3 into 3 square centimeters, which is equal to side of the square into.
So students, out of this figure we can come to know that area of square will be side into side. Hold on. Area of square will be side into side. और perimeter क्या था square का? Very good. 4 into side or I can say 4 into L जो भी मुझे सेंटीमीटर से जो साइड दी गई है. Okay students. So please don't use the formula elsewhere. एरिया का पैरामीटर ना मिक्स मत कर दीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. So this is perimeter of square 4 into side और एरिया हो जाएगा side into side. So students, here we complete the discussion of area. We will be moving to our worksheet. Students, on page number 122, that is 122, we have already seen the meaning, that is area. We have compared these two triangles, right? And we have already seen this area of regular figures. हमने देखा था ये वाला 1 centimeter equals to 1 box. And we come to know that area of rectangle is length into width. All the formulas are given in the textbook itself. Area of rectangle equals to length into width. We have also seen area of square, that is side into side. Area of square equals to side into side. So students, one thing is given here that is important. The length and the breadth of a rectangular should be in same units. For example, if the length is given in centimeters and the width is given in meters, you will convert, you will make them in one unit, same unit. So students, let's discuss the exercise. Find the area of following. Area of each square equals to 1 square centimeter. First figure में क्या बोला गया है कि जो एक स्क्वायर है that represents 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 squares. So I can say that the answer will be 4 centimeter square. Understood? In B, how many squares are there? 8. So I can say that there is 8 centimeter square. Okay? Let's move to question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose area का formula क्या होता है rectangle का? Length into width. So simply आपको proper presentation करना है. जैसा perimeter का presentation था, the same presentation will be applied for area also. Find the area of a square. What was the formula for area? L into L, or I can say side into side. One and the same thing. So students, third, fourth, fifth, you will be solving as a part of your worksheet. Take care of yourself. If you have any doubt, you are free to contact our teachers. Bye students, study well. God bless you.